basic this drawing. I just step by step I one times just recap how to draw. You guys are drawing for the circle. So I imagine this is the circle. No need to draw, just watch the recap how to draw the step by steps. Make this one line over here. So this is the eyes line and this is the nose line. Okay, and then make the another line over here. Here they make this two eyes. Okay, not two eyes. Then we are making here one circle for the mouth and join these two things, and then we are making the eyes. And after that, just add like this. Okay, ups and down, like this. Here the mouth. Okay, I just recap it how we are step by step. This is baby. Baby, what?
So can we draw this? It will be a nice baby for her.
This is baby.
Yeah, can I draw this for the baby?
I just draw this. Not going to draw baby. I make the next drawing.
No.
So this is a baby.
So what
Okay,
is
now,
the
okay.
baby?
So so if you are using this circle process, then you can make it very easy, right? Okay. So we are going to the next drawing.
Next.
Are you ready?
Small baby.
So we are start. See, watch something next.